Welcome back to our channel, Nicheur. Watch our video, don't miss to subscribe our channel. Visit our website, www.nicheur.com. Hello. Today's our topic on voice search optimization, strategies to rank for voice queries. In recent years, voice search has transformed the way users interact with search engines, making it crucial for businesses to optimize their content for this growing trend. With the rise of smart speakers, virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, voice search has become an integral part of everyday life. Here, we'll explore effective strategies to optimize your website for voice search and ensure your content ranks well for voice queries. Understanding voice search. Instead of typing their search terms into a search bar, users can speak their inquiries with voice search. This shift has led to more natural and conversational search patterns. Unlike traditional text-based searches, voice searches are typically longer and often in the form of questions. Understanding this difference is the first step towards optimizing your content for voice search. Key strategies for voice search optimization. 1. Focus on conversational keywords. Since voice searches are more conversational, it's important to use natural language and long-tail keywords that reflect how people speak. For example, instead of targeting a keyword like best pizza recipe, you might optimize for how do I make the best pizza at home? This method assists in matching the way users phrase their voice inquiries with your content. 2. Optimize for featured snippets. Answers to voice search questions are frequently found in featured snippets, commonly referred to as position 0. Organize your material so that it responds succinctly and clearly to frequently asked queries to improve your chances of being featured. Use bullet points, numbered lists, and concise paragraphs to improve readability and increase the likelihood of your content being selected as a featured snippet. 3. Improve page load speed. Voice search users expect quick answers, so your website's load speed is crucial. Slow loading pages can negatively impact both user experience and search engine rankings. Optimize your website by compressing images, using a content delivery network, CDN, and minimizing JavaScript to ensure fast page load times. 4. Create FAQ pages. Pages with answers to frequently asked questions, FAQs, are great for voice search optimization. They naturally incorporate question-based queries and provide direct answers, making them ideal for capturing voice search traffic. Research common questions in your industry and create detailed FAQ pages to address these queries. 5. Use Schema Markup. Schema Markup increases the likelihood that your website will show up in rich results by assisting search engines in understanding the context of your content. Implementing structured data can enhance your visibility in voice search results. Use schema types like FAQPage, HowTo, and QAPage to provide clear information about your content. 6. Optimize for local search. Local intent is frequently included in voice searches, such as near me inquiries. Ensure your business information is up to date on Google My Business and other online directories. Include location-specific keywords in your content and meta descriptions to improve your chances of appearing in local voice search results. 7. Prioritize mobile optimization. Most voice searches are conducted on mobile devices, making mobile optimization critical. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly, with a responsive design, easy navigation, and fast load times. Websites that are optimized for mobile devices are more likely to appear higher in search results, thanks to Google's mobile-first indexing. 8. Focus on user intent. Understanding user intent is key to optimizing for voice search. Determine the intent behind common voice queries in your industry, whether it's informational, navigational, or transactional. Create content that directly addresses these intents, providing valuable and relevant information to users. 9. Leverage natural language processing, NLP. Natural language processing, NLP, helps search engines better understand and interpret human language. Incorporate NLP techniques into your content strategy by using synonyms, related terms, and natural language variations. This approach makes your content more accessible and relevant to voice search queries. 10. Monitor and analyze voice search performance. Keep an eye on how your website performs in voice search results on a regular basis. Use tools like Google Search Console to track voice search queries and identify opportunities for improvement. Analyzing this data can help you refine your strategy and stay ahead of emerging trends. Conclusion: voice search optimization is no longer a future consideration, it's a present necessity. By focusing on conversational keywords, optimizing for featured snippets, improving page load speed, creating FAQ pages, using schema markup, prioritizing mobile optimization, understanding user intent, leveraging NLP, and monitoring performance, you can effectively optimize your content for voice search and enhance your visibility in search engine results. Embrace these strategies to stay competitive in the ever-evolving landscape of search engine optimization. Exploring the growing importance of voice search and tips for optimizing content for voice queries, voice search has swiftly transitioned from a novelty to a staple in the digital landscape, driven by the proliferation of smart speakers and virtual assistants such as Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. As consumers increasingly rely on voice-activated devices for information, businesses must adapt their content strategies to stay relevant. This article explores the growing importance of voice search and offers practical tips on optimizing content for voice queries. The growing importance of voice search. 1. Rising popularity of smart devices. The adoption of smart speakers and virtual assistants is skyrocketing. According to recent statistics, over 50% of households in the U.S. by 2025 are anticipated to possess a smart speaker. This surge in usage underscores the need for businesses to optimize their content for voice search to reach a broader audience. 2. Shift in consumer behavior. Voice search is revolutionizing consumer technology interaction. People are turning to voice search for its convenience, especially when multitasking or on the go. This shift necessitates a new approach to SEO, focusing on the natural language used in voice queries. 3. Impact on local search. Voice search significantly impacts local search results. Consumers often use voice search to find local businesses, making it essential for companies to optimize their local SEO strategies. Phrases like near me or closest are common in voice searches, highlighting the importance of local optimization. Tips for optimizing content for voice queries. 1. Use conversational language. Voice searches are more conversational and natural than text searches. Incorporate long-tail keywords and phrases that mimic natural speech. For example, optimize for "What is the best Italian restaurant near me?" rather than "best Italian restaurant." 2. Answer questions directly. Voice search queries are often posed as questions. Structuring your content to answer these questions directly can enhance your chances of ranking in voice search results. Create content that addresses common questions in your industry, providing clear and concise answers. 3. Leverage featured snippets. Voice assistants commonly utilize position 0 or featured snippets to deliver rapid responses. Aim to create content that is likely to be featured in these snippets. Use headers, bullet points, and numbered lists to organize your content and make it easy for search engines to extract relevant information. 4. Optimize for local search. Local searches are a significant component of voice queries. Ensure your business information is accurate and up to date on Google My Business and other local directories. Include local keywords in your content and meta descriptions to improve your visibility in local voice search results. 5. Improve page load speed. Fast loading pages are crucial for voice search optimization. Slow websites can lead to a poor user experience and lower search rankings. Optimize your site by compressing images, reducing server response time, and averaging browser caching to ensure your pages load quickly. 6. Create detailed FAQ pages. FAQ pages are a great way to get visitors from voice searches. They naturally align with the question and answer format of voice queries. Develop comprehensive FAQ pages that address common questions your audience might ask, enhancing your chances of appearing in voice search results. 7. Utilize Schema Markup. Schema Markup helps search engines understand your content better, increasing the likelihood of appearing in rich snippets and voice search results. Implement structured data on your website to provide context about your content, such as location, hours of operation, and product details. 8. Prioritize mobile optimization. Most voice searches are conducted on mobile devices, making mobile optimization critical. Make sure your website loads quickly, has an easy-to-navigate layout, and is responsive to mobile devices. Google's mobile-first indexing prioritizes sites optimized for mobile users, which can positively impact your voice search rankings. 9. Focus on user intent. For voice search to be optimized, it is essential to understand user intent. Determine the intent behind common voice queries related to your business, whether informational, navigational, or transactional. Tailor your content to meet these intents, providing valuable and relevant information. 10. Monitor voice search performance. Keep an eye on how your website performs in voice search results on a regular basis. Use tools like Google Search Console to track voice search queries and identify areas for improvement. Analyzing this data can help you refine your strategy and stay ahead of emerging trends. Conclusion: voice search is reshaping the digital landscape, offering new opportunities for businesses to connect with their audience. By understanding the growing importance of voice search and implementing these optimization tips, you can enhance your content's visibility and ensure it ranks well for voice queries. Embrace the conversational nature of voice search, optimize for local and mobile users, and stay attuned to user intent to thrive in this evolving SEO landscape. Thank you. For more information, read our blog link in the description. Visit our website, www.nicheur.com.